Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we are checking out this beautiful 3D tulip bouquet card that was sent to me as a gift to check out and share with you. Look how beautiful. This is how it comes. You've got beautiful on the back. You can easily affix a shipping label here on the back if you're wanting to ship this, but let's look at the bouquet. This is not slated for any specific event or occasion. It does come with a blank matching card that you can customize your message. And here we go. It comes flat like this. You're going to open it up at the bottom, squeeze it together and kind of push it, and it will lock in place. This is a square type container. It sits flat, so cute. Look how beautiful and vibrant the colors are. It looks good both front and back. You've got cute bows here. That's the top view. And then when you're done, you can easily fold this down for storage. But this is just a beautiful way to give some flowers that won't wilt or die and just look so beautiful. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do.